Doing some wiring. Like 30 wires I had to stretch, and I had these bundles of like 10. So yeah, I only had to like pairs of 5 different colors. So I had to get 3 of them. So I just made it a little easier by doing sets of 10 or whatever. And they're not the color on this side as they are on this side, which hopefully I don't have to fix it. Should be good. And same thing down here. That goes to the display. So got the battery up here. Got some lights. Got some daytime lights and a nighttime beam. Got this nice radiator off of Amazon. I used the screw tail light and I flipped it upside down. Got the Ninja muffler that I had with the other motor, the Ninja motor that was in it. That Ninja motor. Got another filter off Amazon too. I mounted it to the roll cage. Gotta get another belt because the gearing is a little tall and it's really smoking my belt. So I gotta change the gearing too. I have to can't make a smaller top sprocket. I could, but I don't really want to because it'll be really close to the screws, the cap screws that hold the sprocket on. I gotta make a bigger bottom sprocket, which I don't really got much space. It's hard to see with my shitty camera. I got a crack right on the camera lens, or the camera, yeah, the lens, I guess. Put a tensioner thing in there with a little plastic wheel. I can't see it for shit, but that green thing back there is the plastic idler wheel. Get a better look through here, maybe. Brembo brakes. Yeah, that's off the snowmobile. I'm going to put another caliper on it. So I have 2 calipers, but one caliper I'm going to tie into the pedal with the front brakes, and then the Brembo caliper is going to be hooked up to a handbrake. So I can skid the back tires. Shitty lighting. Seat and seat belt's really sun bleached. And I got a good one for the passenger because you need the passenger to be good and safe. Now I'm mounting the fuel pump and fuel level, which was just a rubber bung thing and you just shoved it in there, but this one I needed to make a flange, so I cut out a ring. I'm going to have to drill and tap it and put sealant on the screws. Hopefully they don't leak, but I don't want to get inside it and weld anything, or could weld a bung on here, but take forever to machine one out of aluminum. I don't got a piece of aluminum big enough. So I just made a flange that's just gonna, should be good. Put some sealant on it maybe. It's got a good rubber gasket. Just needs to be pinched really good. Actually, it's a little tight, so I might. Actually, it's probably better that it's tight. about it. These little plastic things off the snowmobile. I just gotta finish wiring the rest of the switches that I'm going to use. So the switches are on. Probably just going to use this for now. I have to make like a whole bunch of momentary switches. So I'd have to put like 5 switches on here somewhere, and I kind of ran out of space in my little tiny dashboard. Unless I make a console, which I'm thinking about doing because a lot of space. And then I need somewhere to store something. Okay. I want to bring something with me. My phone, because the first time I test drove it, I lost the phone.